Hi, do you want to set up successful Facebook, Instagram, and Shopify ad campaign that can drive more qualified leads and sales for your business? If so, then you are at the right place. I am here assist to you well. I am Russell and I have more than 3 years of professional experience in Facebook, Instagram, and Shopify ads with the best marketing strategies. Now, let's discuss about the steps that I choose to make a perfect ad campaign. These steps involve aligning campaign objectives with your business goals, creating buyer personas as per your business needs and audience, landing page analysis, optimization and testing, targeted audience research, custom and lookalike audience, campaign optimization and reporting. So let's grow your business together and exclusively order on Fiverr.